Now, matter of fact, let me just get right to it. I'm gonna show you why he bought his new car. Yeah, that's why he bought the new car right there. That's why he bought his new Dodge Daytona. I like the color blue. He got the lime green going with it. It's nice. I like it. But that's the reason right there why he bought his new car. That's the reason. Hold on a second. Let me zoom in. That's the reason right there why he bought his new car. So anyway, let me explain my side of the story right now. I'm over here about to go to Dallas right now. See if I can run into Hemi Life. See if I can run into Hemi Life real quick. Looking for Hemi Life 44 somewhere in Dallas. I'm guessing somewhere in Dallas. But to find out. I'm over here at White Rock Lake now. I don't see Hemi Life over here. These are the known Dallas spots. Nah, I don't see Hemi Life over here either. It's a nice little park. Nice little park. But nah, I don't see Hemi Life. Nice little park. Nah, I don't see Hemi Life. Nah, I don't see his car over here. I hate him. Nah, I don't see him. Hemi Life, driving all through Dallas, downtown Dallas, deep Elo. Now I'm about to hit one of his known spots he be at on one of his wheels and tires. I'm gonna see if he's over there somewhere. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can find him. wheels and tires right here. Damn. I see the nice ass cars behind us. Like Corvettes. Shit nice. Bentleys and shit. I don't see no Hemi Life though. I don't see no Hemi Life though. Nope. Nah, it's a nice Corvette right there though. I don't see no Hemi Life. Damn. I'm gonna go try one more spot. I'm gonna try one more spot. Nah, I don't see no Hemi Life there. Nah. I'll come back. I don't see no Hemi Life. Nah, he ain't here. I'll find out. Try one more spot. What's up, Dallas? It's your boy Triple Digits, and I'm here to explain, give y'all one reason and explain why Hemi Life 44 bought his new car. But I'm gonna show y'all the city real quick. I'm in downtown Dallas. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the city, where this city lights up the most. I'm gonna show y'all the city. But it's your boy Triple Digits, and I'm here to explain to you why, the real reason why Hemi Life bought his new car. That's the reason right there. That is the reason why Hemi Life bought his new car. That is the reason why. That is the reason why right there. That right there, that Camry right there. The Camry, y'all saying. A Camry? That's why he bought the car? It's just a Camry though. But this is the reason why he bought a new car. Yeah, if y'all watched the video, you know what I'm saying? I just seen the video. People saying, yo, how Hemi Life won? I'm washing my car at the car wash. They like, yo, how Hemi Life won? So I'm like, yo, show me the video. They show me the video. They ain't see that he cut me off. Like, all the views and all the comments y'all put on his page, y'all, not one person seen him cut me off 7 minutes and 23 seconds into the video. Y'all didn't see him cut me off. Shoot. But hey, look, let me play you the clip.
Beat by a V6 is gonna be bad, bro.
V6, man. I can't get beat by a V6. I can't do it.
I know he ain't trying to race right here. He trying to go right here?
He said he'll go right here. Well, y'all can go both. Y'all can do both.
You trying to race this little short distance?
Yeah, hell yeah. What's up?
This nigga here,
That's what he
man.
did.
Huh?
That's what he did.
And that's why he lost.
He was born the second time, though.
Bro, that's what... Hey, you blow the horn, bro.
What you want to do? Ready?
Huh? We're gonna hold on.
All three.
Hold on. I'm tripping.
Hold on. Look. Who's up the horn? You or him?
He blowing it.
Yo, why you blowing the horn for? Yo, chill. You're not racing.
Nah, I told him to blow the horn so neither one of us
him?
blew it. Yeah, him.
Oh, I was gonna have you blow the horn 3 times.
Nah, I don't need nothing slowing me down, brother. He can blow it.
Alright, now look, so look, you on that side? Or you stay right next to me though?
Hey, I ain't moving. We're gonna stay straight.
Alright, don't hit my car.
Oh, I'm sliding. Blew the doors off that boy. Blew the doors off that boy, man.
So, after watching the video, and you see that I was cut off, if you're watching the video and you heard he said, I'm not blowing a horn. I don't need anything slowing me down. Well, if you got a V8, sir, Mr. Hemi Life, head of the snake, you know what I'm saying? Hemi Life, you know what I'm saying? How blowing a horn gonna slow you down, sir? You got a V8. Like, come on. Like, he caught me off guard. Anyway, before that, when he said that, I kept calling him out, he kept hearing me call him out, kept hearing people saying, yo, when you gonna race this dude, when you gonna race this dude? Because when he said he feels some type of way, I said, do you wanna go? He said, yeah. I said, all right, cool, when you wanna go? You wanna go to the racetrack? He said that I catch you at the racetrack in Ennis at any time. So I said, all right, cool, no problem. So we exchanged numbers on a Thursday or Friday, way prior to that race, way prior. Like, it was like months, like 3 months, we exchanged numbers. I texted him on a Saturday to race him on Sunday. No response. My text was, hey, what's up, Hemi Life? How much you want me to bring to the track? I got no response from the guy. So then, after that, I ain't say nothing to the dude. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, he don't want to race. People come to me talking about, yo, he's probably just scared. Just leave it alone. So I didn't bring up nothing else to the dude. Nothing. I had my cash ready, as you seen. I had the cash ready. I bring up nothing else to the dude. So anyway, out of the blue, nowhere, you know what I'm saying? It's late night, about to get off. I wasn't thinking about dude. He goes, you want to race? Sure. I said, I'll take that. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? I had my spare tire in my trunk. I took it out for the racetrack. I had my spare tire in the trunk. I had a full tank of fuel. For the race, I only had like a quarter tank. I'm going a quarter mile. You know what I'm saying? So, like, he over here talking about, do you want to race? And my friend was there, so I'm like, yeah, bet, let's go. Shoot. Who'd have known that I was going to get cut off when I started getting the lead a little bit? Who would have known that I got cut off? You know what I'm saying? He was not going to let me win that by any means necessary. I am not lying. Who knew that I was going to cut off there? I read the comments. Like, y'all ain't see him cut me off 7 minutes and 23 seconds into the video? I even played you a clip. I played it again.
The car, so we're gonna see. If I get beat by a V6, it's gonna be bad, bro.
V6, man. I can't get beat by a V6. I can't do it.
I know he ain't trying to race right here. He trying to go right here?
He said he'll go right here. Oh, well, y'all can go both. Y'all can do both.
You trying to race this little short distance?
Yeah, hell yeah. What's up?
This nigga here,
That's what he
man.
did.
Huh?
That's what he did.
And that's why he lost.
He was born the second time, though.
Bro, that's a... Hey, you blow the horn, bro.
What you want to do? Ready?
Huh? We're gonna hold on.
All three.
Hold on. I'm tripping.
Hold on. No. Who's up the horn? You or him?
He blowing.
Yo, why you blowing the horn for? Yo, chill. You're not racing.
Nah,
You're not racing.
I told him to blow the horn so neither one of us
him?
blow it. Yeah, him.
Oh, I would have you blow the horn 3 times.
Nah, I don't need nothing slowing me down, brother. He can blow it.
Alright, now look, so, now look, you on that side? Or you stay right next to me though?
Hey, I ain't moving. We're gonna stay straight.
Alright, don't hit my, come on.
Oh, I'm sliding. Blew the doors off that boy. Blew the doors off that boy.
Now, after watching the clip, if you did not see that he cut me off 7 minutes and 23 seconds into the video, hey, I could refer you to America's best eye contacts and eyeglasses, 1-800-CONTACTS. The eyeLab got 2 pairs and a free eye exam for $60. You need to get your eye checked out if you ain't see him cut me off. I even had one guy come up to me and say, yo, how Hemi Life beat you? And I'm like, yo, you ain't see him cut me off? You ain't see him cut me off? Wait, hold on. You ain't see him cut me off? How nobody ain't see him cut me off 7 minutes and 23 seconds to the video? But anyway, he did say in his video he can't lose to a V6. And I see he meant by any means necessary. He meant by any means necessary he cannot lose to a V6. By cutting me off, I was on the right side. I was ready to go. Somebody else blew the horn because, you know what I'm saying, he didn't want to be slowed down. We went. I'm moving. And out of nowhere, I see him coming on my lane. I'm like, whoa! I had to hit the brakes. Shoot! Boom, hit the brakes. And in his video, you hear him say, I just blew the doors off him. No, you blew the doors off a stopped vehicle. Off a stopped vehicle. But I read the comments for the people that did not see him cut me off. One comment said, your coworkers want to be in your video. One comment said, what's wrong with your coworker? Another comment said, he asked for it. Another comment said, what's wrong with the V6 owners lately? But there's a lot of V6 like a RT and a lot of other V8s out there. Like for example, you got the GTR, you got the Q50s that will eat RTs any day. You got the oh look, the Camry. You got the Camry that will eat the RT too. Now, a V6 Camry 3.5 though. You got a lot of V6 out there that will beat a RT any day. And I've been looking for Hemi Life all day so he can explain why he cut me off. But let me play the video one more time.
Yeah, we're gonna see. Like I say, he done some things to the car, so we're gonna see. If I get beat by a V6, it's gonna be bad, bro.
V6, man. I can't get beat by a V6. I can't do it.
I know he ain't trying to race right here. He trying to go right here?
You said he'll go right here. Oh, well, y'all can go both. Y'all can do both.
You trying to race this little short distance?
Yeah, hell yeah. What's up?
This nigga here,
That's what he
man.
did.
Huh?
That's what he did.
Then that's why he lost.
He was born the second time, though.
Bro, that's a... Hey, you blow the horn, bro.
What you want to do? Ready?
Huh? We're gonna hold on.
All three.
Hold on. I'm tripping.
Hold on. Look. Who's up the horn? You or him?
He blowing.
Yo, why you blowing the horn for? Yo, chill. You're not racing.
Nah, I told him to blow the horn so neither one of us blow it. Yeah, him.
Oh, I would have you blow the horn 3 times.
Nah, I don't need nothing slowing me down, brother. He can blow it.
Alright, now look. So, now look. You on that side? Or you stay right next to me, though?
Hey, I ain't moving. We're gonna stay straight.
Alright, don't hit my car.
Oh, I'm sliding. Blew the doors off that boy. Blew the doors off that boy, man. Come on, man.